All right, so we're still talking about tides. Notice that the big difference here, in fact, I got another picture right here. This is still the Bay of Fundy, which is in Nova Scotia. And you see high tide, low tide. Big difference here. The boat is now on the ground. The water is way back out over here as compared to where it is there. Now, these tides can get up to about 50 feet in the Bay of Fundy when you have a spring tide. Also, tides, when tides occur, can make things better or worse. One of the challenges is, I don't know, you probably don't remember, but when the Katrina came through New Orleans, the hurricane, it was a Category 5 hurricane. Well, when you have a hurricane, it also creates what they call a storm surge. You get a low pressure and it sucks the water up, and so the water comes in like 20 feet higher than normal. But not only that, but it was really bad luck because when it hit, it was also at high tide and it was a spring tide, so that added to the storm surge and brought in even more water than normal, which is one of the reasons that it was so bad and it broke their levees and the whole city pretty much got flooded. It was a combination of everything just went wrong at the same time. All right, so that's what you need to know about tides. Tides are created by the moon, and they affect the earth. And we see tides in other places too. In fact, you can measure tides on the land of the earth too, but it's not 3 or 4 feet, it's a couple of centimeters, an inch or so. But they have detectors that are small enough, or sensitive enough, that they can see that when the moon passes over, the earth actually shifts a little bit, changes in the direction towards and away from the moon.